Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to reverse TikTok videos. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, we need to add some video to TikTok. For this I will use this plus button. I just tap on it and here I can make video right now. Or I can upload any video from my gallery. Let's do this second way. And for example, I will choose this video. I just tap next to edit and now I need to tap on effect icon. And here I got a lot of options how I can add any effect to this video. And what I need to shift left a little and I need to go to time lapse. And here I get some option. I can reverse this video, I can repeat this video and I can show more this video. I need to tap on reverse TikTok application, take about couple of seconds and now my video plays is reverse condition. I just now tap on save and here it is. Here I showed you how to reverse TikTok videos. So this is the way how you can reverse TikTok videos. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.